Glycemic index is a factor to determine if a food raises blood glucose level quickly, moderately, or slowly. Studies have proven that traditional Sri Lankan rice varieties elicits either low or medium glycemic index. Although physical parameters of rice are critical among breeder, seller, and consumers to select the desired varieties, there is no enough research data on physical parameters or correlation between physical parameters and glycemic index of traditional Sri Lankan rice varieties. Therefore, this study was designed under the topic Physical parameters and correlation between glycemic response of less commonly consumed traditional rice. 21 less commonly consumed traditional rice varieties were selected for the study and the physical parameters were determined according to standard methods. According to the data, length of the varieties varied between 4 to 6.4 mm, categorized either into short, medium or long. Width of the varieties varied between 2.2 to 2.9 mm and thickness varied between 1.5 to 2.2 mm. Raddal, Suwandal, Kahawunu, Kahamala, Unakula Samba, Hangimuttan were white in color, while other varieties were red in color. Diameter and volume of the rice varieties varied among 2.4 to 3.3 mm and 10.5 to 3.8 cubic millimeters respectively. Length width ratio of rice varied between 1.5 to 2.2. Raddal, Kurlutuda, Suwandal, Kahawanu, Hatadawi, Unakola Samba, Hangimuttan were classed under round while others are ball in shape. There is a positive significant correlation between diameter and length. Increasing the length of the seed makes the grain bolder in shape, as there was significant positive correlation between shape and length. According to the data studied, traditional Sri Lankan rice varieties were short or medium in length and either round or ball in shape. However, there is no significant correlation between any physical parameters were studied and glycemic index were observed. These are some of the references that I have gone through, and I would like to thank you all of you for the kind contribution.